Capital letters are used for names like mine, Rhea. They are used for a lot of other things too. Titles, like Queen Rhea. Titles of books, like Little Red Riding Hood. Names of places, like the Kids Club. And for days, like Monday, and months, like January. A name is a proper noun, so it starts with a capital letter. The name Peck starts with a capital P. Find the name in the sentence. The bugs belong to Rhea. Rhea. Good job! Find the names in the sentence. Olo ate a snack with Cody. Olo. Cody. Good thinking. Complete the sentence with a name. Is my friend. Peck. Good work. Complete the sentence with a name. We swam with Sandy. Dingo. Sandy. Sandy. Great! Which words need to be capitalized in the sentence? Give the bucket to Julia. Give Julia. Great job! Which words need to be capitalized in the sentence? Where did Mario go? Where? Mario. Awesome! Which words need to be capitalized in the sentence? Angela likes to draw. Angela. Cool beans. Which words need to be capitalized in the sentence? We went to visit Sandy on Tuesday, October 20th. We, Sandy. Tuesday, October 20th. That's right! Which words need to be capitalized in the sentence? Peck and Olo are going to the beach on Sunday, June 7th. Peck. Olo. Sunday, June 7th. Yay! Which words need to be capitalized in the sentence? On March 13th, Rhea went to the doctor. On March 13th. Rhea. Good job! Which sentence is correctly capitalized? Grace is traveling on Monday, September 7th. Good thinking! Which sentence is correctly capitalized? Mike and Mia watched a movie on April 11th. Good work!